Welcome everyone. So literally 99.99% people could not figure this out. Okay, and there was a very simple rule for this. Okay, so please understand. See, like always, I will just directly jump into the conclusion or into the solution. So the rule is a raised to log of b to the base a, okay, is always equal to b. Okay, now your problem over here is if the question was of the form 5 raised to log 9 to the base 5, then you could have directly said the answer is 9. But since in the base it is not 9, not 5, but we have 25, so what we can do is we'll keep the rest as it is, 5 raised to log 9. But instead of 25, I will write it as what? 5 square. Okay. So now what happens over here is that, see, log of a, okay, raised to m, okay, and if this was with a base, let me write it again. So if we had something like log of a raised to m, okay, to the base b raised to n, okay, this can be written as nothing but what? M upon n, means the indices can be taken out and the denominator's index will become the denominator in the fraction which comes ahead. Okay, a raised to b, log of a to the base b. So here, since the index for 9 is 1, so what we will do over here is that 5 will remain as it is, raised to 1 upon 2, okay, and then we have log of 9 to the base 5. Now we know that whenever we have m log a to the base b, we can even write this as what? Log a raised to m to the base b. So let's do that. So we have 5 log of 9 raised to half to the base 5. So now what happens is, see, we'll apply this rule over here. So from this I can say it is just raised to what? 9 raised to half. That is nothing but what? Root of 9, and root of any positive number is only a positive value, that is just 3 for this particular question. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.